In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable remote desktop on Windows 10. This feature allows you to connect to your PC from a different location, giving you the flexibility to access your machine on the go. It's particularly useful for those who need to troubleshoot remotely or access files away from their home or office. First, you'll want to get started by locating the Windows icon on your keyboard. This is the key with the little flag, usually positioned at the bottom left corner. Pressing this key will open up the Start menu, which is your gateway to all the features and applications available on your system. From here we're going to search for Settings, so go ahead and type in that word Settings. You should see it pop up as one of the top options. Now click on Settings to open the application. Once you're inside the Settings app, look for the section labelled System. It's where you'll find all sorts of options related to your PC's operation, including the remote desktop settings we need to tweak. Click on System to proceed. Alright, now that you're in the System section, you should see a list of options on the left side of the window. Scroll down if you need to and click on Remote Desktop. Once you're there, you'll find a toggle switch that lets you turn on the remote desktop feature. Enable by toggling the switch to on. Windows may prompt you with a message confirming you want to enable this feature. It's simply double checking to make sure this is what you intend to do. Simply confirm and you're all set. As a quick tip, before you proceed any further, make sure that your PC is connected to a network, ideally a secure and stable one, to avoid any disruptions when you try to connect remotely later on. It's also worth mentioning that for security reasons you might want to configure some additional settings like network level authentication, which can provide an extra layer of security. Once you've enabled remote desktop, your PC will now be ready to be accessed from a different location. But remember, to connect remotely, you'll need the IP address of the computer you're accessing, and it must remain switched on and connected to the internet. And there you have it. You now know how to enable remote desktop on Windows 10, allowing you to handle your tasks even from afar. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips.